Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Anna and I do makeup, skincare, and multi-generational family lifestyle vlogs on my channel. And for those of you who are returning, hey y'all, what's going on? There's something in my throat. So today is yet again another collab video, and this time I am collabing with one of my local YouTube friends. Her name is Marissa, but on her YouTube she goes by Enchanted Beauty. We found out that we lived in the same general area here not too long ago, so we haven't got to meet up yet, but hoping, you know, once the pandemic settles down a little bit, we can meet up. But we decided to do a collab today as well, so you guys are getting another collab this month. Was the other one in the same month? Yes, it was. So you guys are getting 2 collabs so far this month. I don't know if I'm going to be doing any more. If there are any fellow YouTubers out there who want to collab with me, please let me know. I love doing collabs. It's so much fun. It's challenging. I get to challenge my makeup skills. It's just a whole bunch of fun. So yeah, if you want to do one, let me know. But what we are going to be doing today is we are actually going to be recreating each other's look. So I'll be recreating this look that lovely Marissa did. We were actually like going through trying to figure out which looks we were going to create, and we both are like obsessed with green and blue. I'm obsessed with the color green that you guys already know, but we were obsessed with green and blue eyeshadows, and she had a really bomb green look that I wanted to do, but I was like, no, let me try to step out and try to do something different. And she did the same thing, because I have a couple green looks that she's seen me do too, but she did something different. So you guys will have to check her video out to see what look she created of mine, and I will leave all of her information down below in the description box. But yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you want to see me recreate Enchanted Beauty, aka Marissa's look, then keep on watching. But please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are so close to 500 subscribers, you guys. I don't know if by the time this goes up I will be there, but we are super close. So if you are not a subscriber of mine and you are just passing through, think about clicking that button, because it would really help me. It'd be a goal of mine to get to 500. I've been on YouTube now for about a year, actually a little bit over a year now, and I would love to get to 500 subscribers. So yeah, there's my little shameless plug. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I am going to get right into this look. I've got my phone here just as my reference picture to see what she did. I kind of have an idea of the palettes that I'm going to be using to recreate this, but we're just going to get right into it. Oh, no we're not. I gotta grab my little, I gotta grab something, hold on. I needed to grab, if you guys heard me talk about this before, if you hadn't seen the other video, my color switch brush cleaner, because I'm not going to lie, I haven't cleaned my brushes yet. And yeah, so I gotta use this so I don't transfer any pigments that I don't want. So I'm going to be using 2 different palettes to get this look. This one, you guys, the Nikita Dragon. If you haven't seen my other collab video, I will leave it up in the cards for you guys, but this is the palette that I used to do that collab. There's some really good colors in here for the look that I'm going to create today, so I'm going to use this one again. And then you guys already know this is my favorite right now. It was in my March favorites shorts that I did, and on my Instagram and my TikTok and all that jazz. So yeah, my Ace Beauty. There's a couple colors, or maybe one or two I think that I'll be using out of here. So let's just get into it. So let me go back to the picture. So it looks like she did kind of like she's got pink kind of above her crease. I don't know, let's just go. So my brushes are going to be so stained because I have been terrible at cleaning my brushes lately, and I need more. If you know of any good brushes out there that are semi-inexpensive, let me know, because I've been running through mine like crazy. But anyways, I'm just going to take a fluffy brush, and she's got kind of this pinky purpley eyeshadow, like that's kind of like not in her crease, but in her crease, and she kind of blended it out. So I'm going to do that, and what I'm going to use for that is actually the same colors I used in my last look, but I'm going to use these 2 here. The purple is called ABG, and the pink is the Nikita. So I'm going to use those 2 and just kind of blend them together to see if I can create a similar look. And you guys, this palette is super, I'm sure you just saw that, it's super pigmented. So, oh my gosh, forgot one thing. Alright, I moved you in just a little bit, but I forgot. I had done my base already off camera, because I'm going to tell you guys, I had class before this, so I wanted to get this part done so I could jump right into the eye look with you guys, because I don't have a lot of time tonight. But I forgot, I didn't conceal my eyelids, so I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime eye primer, and this is in shade number 2. Also something that was just in my last video, but I really like it. So I'm just going to put that on my eyes quick. Well, actually, I'm going to do one eye with you guys, and I'm going to do the other one off camera. So I'm going to do one eye here. Because low-key, I'm trying to get my TikTok game up, so I'm going to do my other eye for my TikTok. Alright, so we've got that nicely blended in there. So now back to the palette. Like I said, I'm going to take the Nikita and the ABG. So I just had a little bit of Nikita. I'm going to start with on my brush and just kind of work that into the crease. So in other news, you guys, the basement is almost finished. I'm so excited. If you have seen any of my Instagram stories, the other day I posted that we had painted our bedroom, and so that is done this weekend. Well, when this goes up, hopefully today, you guys will be working on the floors in that room, because we have a new bed coming, and it's coming on the 21st of April, so that room has to be done, which is so exciting, because then that means I can live in it. I don't really care about the rest of it right now. I just want to be in my space. I gotta order a vanity for my makeup. I have my whole setup in mind, so I am really excited. Alright, so there is the pink. So then I'm going to go in just a little bit with the ABG, which was that lilac-y purple, and just kind of work that in as well. Alright, so there is that. We've got a nice pinky purple going, and then she's got like green and yellow on the lid. So for that, for the green that's on the lid, I'm actually gonna take Shigo, which is that bright I'm gonna say orange, with that bright green there, and I'm gonna pop that on the lid. Pretty, you know, I love a good green, so I'm just working that just halfway and then to the end, because the inner corner is actually going to be a yellow. Just kind of packing that on because we like the color. So we got the green there. It's decently blended. I'll probably go back in afterwards and like blend that in with the pink again. So then we've got the yellow that's gonna go on the inner corner. So from my Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette, I'm just gonna take that yellow here. It's called Water Slide, beautiful yellow, and I'm gonna pop that in the inner kind of corner area. Notice with these brighter colors, it's a lot better if I pack it on versus dragging it. That's because on my skin tone, some of these are hard to pick up. But this primer is bomb, you guys. So bomb. Alright. And I'm just going to try to blend that in. I just kind of wipe the brush off and just kind of blend it in so they look a little bit more seamless. Just a little bit of the yellow. It's like every time I try to blend it in, the yellow gets on the green side, and I don't want that. Got the green and yellow on there. And then I could tell that on the end she's got a little bit of a deeper green there. So what I'm actually going to take is we're going to go back to the Nikita X Morphe palette, I'm going to take this dark green here, Peacock, and I'm going to use that just to kind of darken up the corner there. And we're just going to go back in with that Shigo bright green just to blend that in a little bit more. Okay, so there is that. I think that looks pretty good. I'm just going to go back in with the pink and purple and just kind of make sure that's still standing out. It's beautiful. And then she took the same pink and purple and did it under her eye as the under eye kind of color. So I'm just going to mix those in and do that. Alright, so that's the under eye. So she actually has some like shimmer on her yellow. So I'm going to take, this is from Bellanor Cosmetics. She's a small black owned business that I follow on YouTube. This is one of her like loose glitter pigments, and it's called Zenith, and I probably can't show it to you because it's going to get everywhere, but it's very beautiful. So I'm going to take some lash glue and pop that in on top of the yellow, and then I'm going to put liner on lashes, do my other eye, and then we'll be back for the, actually no, yes, then we'll be back for the final look. Alright guys, so I am back. Excuse the head in there, over there. My husband's in here now. But this is the final look. So what I did off camera, I put the lashes on. There's those. And then I actually added a little gold on the inner corner from the Ace Beauty palette. And that's this gorgeous gold here that's called Fun. This is one of my favorite colors in this palette. And then I just added a pink lip, which is from, I guess when it was called Kat Von D, but KVD Beauty. This is in the color Bauhaus 5. So I added that for the lip, and then I added from the Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. I went in with the color Zane here, which is that pink, which I did on my cheeks. And I like never wear blush, but I'm kind of feeling it. I don't know, what do you guys think? But this is my recreation of Marissa, aka Enchanted Rose Beauty's spring look. I love it so much. When she posted it, I was like, oh, this is such a cute and fun look. I feel like it was maybe slightly out of her comfort zone a little bit, definitely out of mine. I don't really do pinks. As if you guys know, pink is like my least favorite color of all times, but I really like this look. There was green in it, so we're good there. And then yeah, these lashes I actually won from a giveaway. I kind of broke the box, but it's just these 5D Broadway eyes lashes. I don't really know, I think they might be like beauty supply store lashes, but they're nice. They went nice with this look. So yeah, that is going to be the finished look. So I will post her picture up here again, and you guys let me know how I did. Did I recreate this to the T or what? I think I did pretty good. Oh, this is so cute. I really like the blush. Ooh. Okay. Alright guys, but that is it. Like I said before, please leave comments down below with what you think of this look. Again, like I said at the beginning, if anybody is interested in doing collabs with me, please let me know, because I'm always down. But yeah, make sure that you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.